Everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 1st to the 5th of April 2024 on Monday. Izinsizwa 10 on each other. One Nomkhosi is undermined. Sibongiseni contemplates making contact with Hlelo. Nonka and Minete realizes that Khumbulani might have new ways of conducting his operation on Tuesday. Mondli is enraged when he witnesses betrayal with his own eyes. Nonka fears for the worst when Minete doesn't show up for work. Sibongiseni's curiosity gets him knocking on a dangerous door on Wednesday. Mondli is certain that there is a mole in his camp and he thinks he has found the culprit. A collaboration with Nokuthula forces Nomkhosi out of her comfort zone. Nomsa's wedding is intercepted by the police on Thursday. Nkunzi's empty promises divide izinsizwa. Geja gives Nokuthula an ultimatum while Khumbulani declares war on Nonka and Minete on Friday. A search for Minetle's baby yielded no results. Mondli's quest to find the mastermind behind the gun robbery brings out the worst in him. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.